Well, let me go across to Adrija, who's joining us live with all the inputs. Adrija, you were there yesterday when you had the BJP delegation led by Suvendu Adhikari go into Sandeshkhali. He met the victims today. Ravi Shankar Prasad has come out and said it's the hypocrisy of the opposition where a woman Chief Minister has now betrayed the women of Sandeshkhali. But the big question remains, where is Shahjahan Sheikh? Any kind of answers, any kind of leads coming in?
Well, you see, yesterday it was a setback for the state of West Bengal because the Chief Justice Division bench have given two major verdicts. First, they have allowed yesterday Suvendu Adhikari and one other MLA to reach and visit Sandeshkhali and talk to the victims. And apart from that, yesterday the Chief Justice Division bench have also mentioned that, why is Shahjahan Sheikh, who happens to be the head of all of these criminal activities that has unfolded in Sandeshkhali, still not arrested? How can he still be absconding? And clearly, if the state, he has heavily come down on the state police, saying that if the state police cannot arrest Shahjahan Sheikh, then other agencies like the ED and CBI have to be involved in this entire matter. And yesterday we have seen how the court has also said that Shahjahan Sheikh should either surrender or come into the previews of law and then should present himself. And he has said that he also should present himself in the court itself. So of course, this very big question that the prime head of all of this mishappening that has happened in Sandeshkhali, which is Shahjahan Sheikh, although his close associates are arrested, but Shahjahan Sheikh himself is still absconding. His whereabouts are still unknown to the police, and of course he still can't be arrested, he can't be found anywhere. And yesterday we have seen that the BJP delegation who reached there, while they were talking to women, they came out and spoke that how their lands have been taken away, how they were forced to go and attend meeting in odd hours and do exactly what Shahjahan Sheikh's goons used to tell them. So very unfortunate incident have taken place in Sandeshkhali, but at the same time it is the state police absolute failure that they have still not been able to arrest Shahjahan Sheikh.
Well, of course, and there are now attacks being made that this perhaps is active shielding by the state, because Adrija, as we were discussing yesterday, the Calcutta High Court has also come down very heavily on the state police. Any response coming in from the Bengal police or the TMC about what the High Court had said, categorically saying that the police have not done enough for the victims and that a lot of these disturbing media reports have not even been looked into?
Well, you see, the police continues to say one thing, that his whereabouts are still unknown, and he, where exactly is he is still unknown to the state police. So, of course, they are trying to find him. The investigation is still on. All of this is happening, but still, so many days have passed by, but Shahjahan Sheikh has not been arrested. Although police have arrested the close to associates of Shahjahan Sheikh, but he, the main mind of all these activities himself, Shahjahan Sheikh, has not been arrested.
Well, in fact, do stay on with us. Sorry to interrupt you. There's a reaction coming in from TMC. Kunal Ghosh has this to say. Listen in.
Community takes offense in Suvendu Adhikari's alleged comment of Khalisthani. BJP leader challenges ADG South Bengal to prove his charge within 24 hours of Sikh police officers.
You see, the way Suvendu Adhikari uttered the word Khalisthani to an IPS officer, responsible IPS officer, that should be condemned. Should be condemned. Our Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee, our party, All India Trinamool Congress, we already condemned that. This is the nature of Suvendu Adhikari and BJP. You see, earlier, Suvendu Adhikari told Birva Hasda, Adivasi minister, daughter of jungle, Birva Hasda, Amar jutar niche thake. Who told? Suvendu told. Now, a Sikh officer, Suvendu is telling him Khalistani. So, he should beg apology. BJP should take a step against him. We all condemn the word used by Suvendu Adhikari.
Big announcement expected Kamal Hassan to join India Alliance ahead of LS polls. Kamal Hassan to join India Alliance ahead of LS polls.
I don't want to make any comment right now.